Hey, how's it going? Got a little tip here. This is a 70mm tube, about a little less than 3 inches, and I need a clean edge on here to attach to this large flask. So what happens is, a lot of times people run to the saw and cut this. It's so big, then you have to turn around and rinse it, you have to dry it. So what I like to do is reach up here and pull it off like so. I'd like to clarify about actually when I use this technique. This is good for small tubing up to 4, 6, 8-inch tubing, doesn't really matter. But when you have the crack start on the edge and go around and back out, works good for pulling the section off, and also when it goes in and along the circumference. When it doesn't work is when it goes in, up, and then back along the length of the tube again, or when you have these type of cracks on it where another tube has jammed into the end of it. It doesn't work well. As for heavy wall tubing, if I had a piece of glass that was missing, I would just score and crack it off about a 1/2 inch over from where it is. Catch it with some tweezers or gloves or whatever you're going to do. If the glass was still there, I'd crack on the downside and put like a glove or something on my lathe to catch it, and I would take a piece of old graphite or a chunk of wood or something and just tap it on the downside. Here's the piece I took off.